Hi everyone, my name is Patrice Isaac. I just want to share with you the experience that I had with Better Day Consulting. My credit score was very low, so I trusted Better Day Consulting to help me to increase my score so that I can purchase the vehicle that I really wanted to purchase. I have a brand new Mercedes, as you can see, and I am loving it. I am enjoying it, and I just want to thank Better Day Consulting for an awesome job in helping me to get my credit straight. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Patrice Isaac, and I would like to share my experience with you in regards to Better Day Consulting. I contacted Better Day Consulting to help me to increase my score to purchase a new home and new car. I just want to show you my new home. It is a 4-level townhome. I am thankful and grateful for Better Day Consulting. If it wasn't for them, I would not have my new home and a new car. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Better Day Consulting. Thank you, thank you, thank you.